Many combinations of food may not make sense to you, but there are reasons these combinations might be better for your health. For example, many people eat meat and cheese together, which makes them feel bloated. From a modern standpoint, this often makes sense because it helps us digest food more easily. Also, they can lead to stomach aches, nausea, fatigue, and trouble getting rid of waste. So here are some food combinations that you should avoid to keep you healthy. Number 7. Carbohydrate and animal protein. Eating a meat dish with a potato or a slice of toasted bread will slow the time it takes for food to putrefy. Carbohydrates ferment when combined with protein, which helps keep your gut healthy. Eating different combinations of food can lead to discomfort like gas, bloating, and flatulence. Those who eat something like tomatoes with potatoes may have grown accustomed to this, but are better off eating more complementary combinations like beans and rice. Number 6. Combination of two high proteins. Surf and turf, bacon and eggs. High protein sources are always awesome when paired together. This can be hard on your digestive system and takes a while to digest. To avoid getting bloated, eat in courses starting and finishing with protein, such as fish or yogurt, and always eat sooner rather than later. Number 5. Food with water or juice. Drinking water or juice with your meal is one of the most poisonous food combinations. Drinking water won't make your stomach acid any less powerful. It will simply dilute it, and weaken the digestion process. Before each meal, drink water to help with food and drink and stomach enzymes. This should also help you avoid overeating or doing the wrong thing like drinking water with lemon juice. Number 4. Beans with cheese. This is a classic ingredient in Mexican food. If you're going to put cheese, beans, hot sauce and guacamole together, count on the bloating, gas and/or other digestion-related ailments. But if you have a weak digestive system, don't worry, beans by themselves won't give you gas. So next time, try to order your taco with the cheese on the side. Number 3. Tomatoes with pasta. No pasta is complete without tomatoes, cheese sauce, or meat. The effects aren't always good, though. Tomato has acids that weaken the enzyme in starchy pasta, curdles the dairy in cheese. It can be hard to digest this food, because it includes high levels of both meat and carbs. Instead of pesto, try lightening it up by using aioli instead. It's dairy-free and can make things a little less heavy for your body. Number 2. Yogurt with fruit. The sugar in fruits reacts with bacteria in yogurt to create lactic acid. This leaves you susceptible to toxins, the cold and allergies. Avoid this by using unflavored yogurt and adding honey, cinnamon or raisins instead of fresh fruit. Number 1. Cheese with meat. Cheesy meatballs, meat in fondue, cheese and meat omelette, these all are veritably high in protein content. Naturally, it's very difficult to digest. So rather, stick to chopped vegetables in fondue. Avoid cheese in meatballs and slice down the meat in omelette. Now that you know about the 7 deadly food combinations, avoid them to lead a healthy life. If you know any other food combinations that could cause health problems to people, do let us know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.